Let's explore transitioning from high school to uni. When you understand what to expect, it can help you settle in. University will be a new learning environment which differs in class size, scheduling, teaching style, teacher-student interaction, and social opportunities. At university, you'll complete a wide range of different assessments depending on the units of study you choose, including written assessments, weekly quizzes, group work, presentations, and class participation. Often, university assessments place a greater emphasis on self-directed research and learning. For each subject you take at uni, you'll usually have 2 types of classes each week, a lecture and a tutorial, lab, or practical. Lectures are the primary way teachers share what you need to learn. Sometimes there are hundreds of students attending a lecture. Tutorials are small classes. They support what you learn in lectures and allow you to ask questions and get clarification. Labs and practicals are classes where you learn by doing things yourself. The activities vary depending on your subject. In science, you might do experiments or demonstrations. At university, you often have more flexibility in what and when to study. Depending on your degree, you may be able to choose courses to take as electives. You may also be able to customize your timetable to suit your schedule. Going to university means learning more independently. You'll have many opportunities to explore and learn more about the subjects you're interested in. You'll also meet people who share your interests and come from different backgrounds. It's a chance to follow your passions and goals beyond what you've experienced in school. Although there will be a lot that will be new about university, you've already got excellent skills from high school, such as organisation, time management, and problem solving, that will make your transition to university smoother. They're applicable in both settings. As at school, balance will be the key at university. You'll juggle classes, assessments, and your social life. Understanding your university academic calendar, your weekly timetable, and the expectations around assessments will help you create the balance you need with other things in your life. It's important to learn when and how to seek support when you need it. Remember, uni is a great chance to nurture and explore your interests.